Good morning. So this video will be made for a song that we'll work on today. It's called Song of the Fjords. Okay, we're going to use our book. We're opening up to page 9. Okay, and it's number 27 right here. Okay, please note that someone has written in letters for note names. Don't do that. Only write in what's really hard. Leave the ones that you know or could come up with somewhat easy, unlabeled, so your brain can practice reading notes. Okay, so this song I wanted to bring your attention to has the treble clef, which means we play the higher notes. It has the 4/4 time signature. Then it has some quarter notes, more quarter notes, and then half notes. Then we have quarter notes and a quarter rest, okay? And then we have all these little segments. So those are called measures. Okay, let's count the measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 measures in this song. So when we play quarter notes, we play a quarter note for 1 count in 4/4 time, because in 4/4 time, the top number here, 4, stands for 4 counts. The bottom number stands for 1 count or 1 beat equals a quarter note. That's why we have 4 quarter notes in the first measure and the second. Okay, in the third measure, we have half notes. So in 4/4 time, you can only fit 2 half notes into a measure because a half note equals 2 beats. So you're going to go 1, 2, that's 1 note, then 3, 4, that's your second note. So, and then you're out of your count because you only have 4 counts per measure. So first, let's practice just playing those notes, the quarter notes, okay? And we'll count them as we play them. So counting and playing together is very important. Since our mouth is busy, we'll be counting in our mind. Or we can also use our foot. We can tap our foot and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So kind of get used to that. That's a really good habit to have when you're playing. Okay, here we go. I just did 4 quarter notes. I'm going to do them again, and that was C. So no fingers, just open. So I tried, so that one wasn't as good as the first one. Just I was having a hard time buzzing my lips. That's why I got that sound. So I'm going to practice buzzing a little bit. I'm going to go. I'm going to make sure my lips are tight enough. So as the lips get tired, it might get harder to buzz. But you can continue to try for another 5 minutes so you give your lips a really good exercise. So I'm going to do a little buzzing before I start. So here we go. Ooh, that one was better. So pause the video and try playing some quarter notes like that with a good tone, smooth and connected. Okay? Remember not to puff each note. Don't go pff, pff, pff. That's the wrong way to do it. And it can become a really bad habit. Okay, so be very attentive to what you're doing. Sort of kind of evaluate yourself. Be your own teacher. Okay, so here are the half notes, these ones. I'm going to hold them for 2 counts. Okay, so I'm going to get my lips ready. And make sure they're moist enough. Okay, I do a lot of licking in this class. Okay, then I'm going to buzz. That looks good. All right, here's my 2 count note. I just did 2 half notes. Okay, you could probably hear the difference. Now I'm going to do them back to back. So first, I will play quarter notes. Then I will play half notes. A measure of each. So it sounds like this. All right, now you give it a try, okay? So after you try it, pause the video, do it several times. Then go back to your book and look at number 27. I'm going to play it for you one time. This will give you an idea of how the song goes, okay? You can always kind of rewind to the spot where you left off so you can listen to it again, okay? So here's the song. Okay, so in the very last note, I decided to hold it a little extra than it says, just to make it kind of wind down. That kind of creates a little musical way to end the song, not just to just drop it, okay? So try to be musical with the song as you play. Don't just make each note sound as beautiful as you can. Okay, so there are some quarter rests in that note song. You will see they look like this. Okay, and you need to rest on those for 1 count. So this is a good place to take a big breath again. Okay, so also another thing that is good to practice is to say note names. So on number 27, I will say the note names for you. Okay. So I'll start at the very beginning. So get your finger ready on your first note and please follow along. And if you're able, try to say them. C, D, E, C. C, D, E, C. F, E, D, D, D. Rest. C, D, E, C. C, D, E, C. F, E, D, E, C. Okay, so that's all for that song. So we approach every song in this way. We look to see what notes we're doing, like note names. Then we check out the rhythms, how long we have to play each note. We don't forget about the rests, they're important. And also we remember as we warmed up about our good tone, consistent and connected sound that is smooth. All right, well, I'll have another one for you with some new material. So our third video will be coming right up.